Now we're going to see about implementation of k-means clustering for customer segmentation using machine learning program. So today I'm going to explain about a Python program. This Python program has been done by mine. So we are going to explain about it. First line is import pandas as PD. So first we are going to importing a pandas library as PD. This library is commonly used for data manipulation and analysis. And then we are reading the CSV file. The CSV file into a pandas data frame called data. The read underscore CSV function reads the data from the specified file path. This file path is named and denoted as mall underscore customer, and it creates a data frame. Then we are displaying the first few rows by using data.head. This method displays the first 5 rows of the data frame. This helps you to get a quick overview of a data. Then checking the data information by using data.info. This method provides an information about a data frame, including the number of null values is in each column, data types and memory usage. Then we are checking for missing values. Data is null dot sum expression calculates the total number of missing values in each columns of the data frame. Now the next line is from sklearn.cluster import k-means. We are taking an empty array which is denoted as WCSS. Then for I in range 1, 11, k-means is equal to k-means, n underscore cluster is equal to I, init is equal to k-means plus plus. So we are initializing a k-means model with the n underscore cluster parameter to set I, which is ranging from 1 to 10, and the initialization method we denoted as k-means plus plus. This fifth method is used to train the model on the future of data frame, data starting from 4th column with the data IAlloc, which is known as integer allocation. The inertia for each value of I is calculated and stored in WCSS list. So we are plotting an X label as number of cluster, Y label as WCSS, and plot title as elbow method. This code then plots an elbow curve by plotting the inertia with WCSS against the number of cluster, which is ranging from 1, 11. So these are the axis representation. Then by setting the number of cluster, we have chosen a 5 cluster based on elbow method. This k-means cluster model is trained against with 5 cluster km.fit data integer allocation, which is known as IAlloc. The predicted cluster label for each data points, which is stored in a ypredict. Now certainly we are created a new column named cluster in the data frame data and assigned the predicted cluster labels as ypredict to it. So data cluster is equal to y underscore predict. Now we have filtering the data to create a new data frame df0 containing only the number of rows where the cluster columns has the value 0. Then we are creating a cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3, so likewise. Then the subsequent lines plot a scattered plot with different colors for each cluster using an annual income as x-axis and spending score as y-axis. The legend indicates with the color response to it, and the title is customer segmentation. These are the I have explained that data.head, which is the output of data.head. This is an output of data.info, output of isnull.sum. This is an elbow method. This is a graph. X-axis labeling as number of clusters and y-axis as WCSS. These are the fitting the number of clusters. K means we are fitted the number of clusters as 5. These are the predicted value which is presented in an array, and these are the customer segments graph representation. So this is a Python program which is used to implement the k-means clustering for customer segmentation. It is written by using a Python programming. Thank you.